muhuro nĩakoretwo akiamukira murunawe wa Sudan ya muhuro niwe Salva Kiir goko thigiraini wa iregi goko muciini wa Nairobi ni hindi ya kigomano giki kuria President Ruto akiranĩire thirikari yake urundumwe na atongoria angĩ matiganĩte gwĩteithĩrĩria bũrũri ũyũ wa Sudan ya muhuro ikorwo ũgicokereria thayũ kuona atĩ mihango kana uhaguku wa ugitiri urundumwe na bara cia thĩinĩ nĩ ikoretwo ikihutia ona gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika yothe.
President William Ruto ni amukiririe murunawe wa Sudan ya muhuro Salva Kiir omothe thigiraini wa iregi.
I am truly happy to host you today in Nairobi.
President William Ruto gukirioguo ni ataririe ati ni gutigirira ati ni amatie ndugu njega gatagati ka bũrũri wa Kenya na bũrũri wa Sudan ya muhuro.
That it is my commitment that we want to improve, scale up, deepen and widen the relations between our two countries. Our relations, as I said, are very strong historical linkages. We have fraternal bonds of friendship, shared values and common aspirations for the socio-economic development of our two countries.
Gukirioguo President Ruto ni atogeretie Salva Kiir ni mitaratara iria ambikite ya gwetha thayo guku akiuria aria maragagia thayo wa muingi na makiria bũrũri-inĩ ucio mateanirie undu uyu.
Kenya's full support as you work on what's going on in South Sudan, and I note with a lot of appreciation the achievement your government has had on the implementation of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. I urge all the parties to the peace agreement to expedite implementation of the pending tasks of the agreement, and Kenya, as your brothers and sisters and as guarantor to the peace agreement, assures you, Your Excellency, and the people of South Sudan of our unwavering support.
Mweneni wake Salva Kiir ni atogeretie na njira nene ndugu gatagati ka bũrũri wa Kenya agithi na mbere na kuga ati.
In our discussion, we recalled South Sudan and Kenya time-honored and strong bilateral relations, and emphasized the need to coordinate our positions on regional and global issues.
Ni ataririe ati kumana na mũcemanio uyu na matanya ma guthi na mbere na kurutithania wira na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire, na President Ruto akiuga ati mabũrũri maya merĩ nĩ megũkorwo makĩgunĩka.
On issues we have discussed, President Ruto and I agreed to continue working on them for the benefit of our region, and I look forward to working with him on these areas for mutual benefit of our two countries.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV rĩa Kwani Kariuki wa Nduati.